Yes, good afternoon students. Today again we'll continue chapter 14 practical geometry. So today we'll do next question of exercise 14.1 which is based on this part D. Question number 4 in which you will be given three sides and you will be given two included angles. Okay. So when you will be given these five things you have to construct a quadrilateral. So come on question number 4 of exercise 14.1. This is question number 4 in which you will be given three sides and two angles. So shall we start? Suppose this is a question in which you are given three sides PQ, QR, RS and two angles. So very first step is draw the rough sketch. This rough sketch I have drawn, just by free hand you will draw it. Now I will start the fair construction by looking this rough sketch. So what is the first step? See, first step is we have to draw PQ. We have to draw PQ equal to 7.1. So start making it. This is PQ. Take a scale, measure 7.1. It will be here. 7.1 is up to here. Okay, so mark the point P here and Q here. Okay, one thing we have got PQ. Now what is the next step? That is 109. That is 109 angle at Q. So at Q we will make 109 angle. You know very well how to make angle using this protector. So place this 0 of protector at Q. See, I have placed. And where is 109? It is here. 110. Before 110 there is 109. So this point I have marked of angle 109. So join this point and extend it with the scale. Mark an arrow. So still we have not got point R. Point R we have not got yet. So where to place point R? That is at 7.6. That is at 7.6. So again take a scale and measure 7.6. Where is 7.6? It is here. This much is 7.6. So you have to mark an arc of 7.6 placing at center Q. So now you have got point R. So this is point R. Okay, you have got 3 points now, P, Q, R. Now only S is left. How to make S now? What is the angle this? This is 125 degree. So at R you will make 125 degree. Okay, we'll use protector now for making angle 125. Let me rotate this copy. Now place 0 mark of this protector here and mark a point for 125. Okay, I think you are understanding very well. 125, where is it? It is here. Obtuse angle, na? So it is 125. Now join this point of 125 and extend it. See, I have made 125 here. Still I have not got point S. We need point S. How we'll get this point S? It is 7.8. RS is 7.8. So RS you will cut up to 7.8. Okay. So take a scale, 7.8. Where is it? It is here. It is this much. So 7.8 cut karo ab. By placing at R, you will cut 7.8. it is this much. Okay, so we have got point S. This is point S. So you have got P also, Q also, R also, S also. So join all these points, we'll get a quadrilateral. Okay, take a scale and join PS. So this is the required quadrilateral PQRS, in which PQ is 7.1 and QR is 7.6, RS is 7.8 and angle Q is 109, angle R is 125. So this is the required quadrilateral, and your steps you will write yourself because already I've told you in previous classes. So today's your work is do question number 4, part A and part B. Okay, thank you.